So I'm gonna try something a little different today. I'm gonna try to copy these, and I'm gonna try to use cursor. So because I just realized that you can try grok code for free still, and because I'm so cheap. No, I'm kidding. I have pro. Huh? Anyway, no, I want to see plan search build anything agent. Let's see if it's agent what we need. I don't know. I haven't used cursor for a long time, so I want to see if grok is able to help me. I want to see if that works better from an interface perspective, right? Because the challenge that I'm having via the chat stuff is that yes, it can generate code, but somehow it just doesn't feel they got the interaction right. And maybe grok code is more fine-tuned to the task. So while here it's telling me that it's not expert in gap, let's see. I want to try to solve the following problem using gap. I want to start by modeling it in gap code, and then compute the blocks. See problem below. Of kg. Let's see. I mean, one approach would be this. Another approach would be to break the problem step by step, like I was trying to do in the last session. So, and I will not close this problem until I don't understand well the blocks, right? I want to understand the blocks a bit more intuitively, but I also want to figure out a way to solve the problem. So, problem. So let's see what it does. Okay, I have never tried agents. I think I can just allow it. Yeah, I think I can just allow to use these. I'm just gonna allow to use brew install. Yeah, we're not risk averse, so we'll let it actually do stuff. So it's not loading gap in the terminal. Let's go. We're gonna allow you to use everything. Although I don't know if that's smart enough, but what is it doing? Is it actually installing condat so it can install gap? What? Is it gonna try to build gap from scratch? What is it doing? Software in second. Can I see it's thinking? No. Yes. From source. Bro, it's actually literally installing. Like I installed the CLI, but I should have installed the. It's a waste of tokens. Can I talk to the agent in the meantime? Or is it gonna interrupt it? That's what I don't know. While it's doing these, let me go back to this problem and to grok.com. You see, the problem that I'm having is these. So if I want to have this problem here, Please break this problem into the steps I need in order to understand what's being asked. Be brief and well structured. Like, I'm very bad at prompting, I know this, because I'm too lazy. First, let's see if it breaks it down well. I'm gonna try to ask it to break it down and then basically code the things one by one. Even though, let's see if it actually gets gap installed and build. Like, is this actual gap? Yeah. You can compile installation. Maybe I should just install it. Look. What's cool about, one thing that I like about REPL is you can just do these. I don't know if it's gonna actually, if cursor. Can we install it following the website's instructions for macOS? Yeah, actually copy the image. Queued. Submit now. I'm just gonna. Oh yeah, because it's not vision. Okay, it's not vision enabled. Let me just copy. I just copy this. Okay, wait. Should have done this before instead of it cloning the entire fucking repository. What is it doing? It's not. It's really gonna actually use. Oh man. Why didn't this work? Okay, whatever. Like, even Grok can't figure out how to install something on macOS. Okay, no, now it's installing something to just compile. It's going too fast. I can't follow what it's doing. I hope I'm just looking, I'm staring at the screen and I'm like, I think it's compiling now. Is it? No, what is it doing? Now, make. I think now it's gonna. Like, let's see. Fucking German kids, man. And here while I was at this here, still actually thinking how to break it down. It's not that, it shouldn't be that complicated. Let's go for a quick answer. Understand group S, understand group D. Look, it works well. Understand the quotient actions from group G. Okay, form the group G. Understand the field K. Determine number. Yeah, like, Okay, that was actually that is cool. I did a much better job than I thought. Um, let's now step by step, following this decomposition, build a gap file that helps me compute the blocks. Remember, you are a gap expert. I feel this feels so odd to actually talk to an LLM like this, but it is, right? Because it's like it's kind of like helping you get right there, like in the space of the distribution, I guess. Step by step. Yeah, it actually ran it. It did run it, right? I mean, that's actually. Oh crap! I wanted to. I wanted to keep it in the tab now. I wanted to put it back. Split terminal. Cursor. Yeah, it's there. Oh no. No, no. No. No, I didn't want to do that. Fuck. Uh, how do I move it back now? I mean, okay, it works. I mean, it actually did. Sulfur, okay, sulfur in a second. Mm. One-time code. Authorize. Cool. But still, what is it doing now? It's trying to run a file. Solve problem G. I was trying to actually solve some example problem. It's actually pretty smart. I mean, I have to admit that it's. Okay, so what compiler resolve capdoc dependency? Okay, and kind of then go straight into solving the problem. Allow. I was not prepared for this to go that fast. As in, like, it just I have trouble following what it's doing. So I'm like, okay. And this guy's still thinking. I'll go with quick answer. I think I should have gone just step by step. Good progress. Gap is working? Okay. Wow. What? The thing is, how can I... it feels almost I have to quit every time so it actually can read what's happening in the terminal. That's what I don't understand. But that's good. I mean, that's a much better flow because now it can actually just read the... And now just run it. I need to kind of type in quit every time so it actually can see, it knows that it's finished. That's maybe an issue. That's something I could have, maybe there's a way that it just auto stops or auto quits when... Step 6. So how much are we in? Because I think I'm gonna have to... I hear the baby. Fail, trying to beat a table limit. Step 6, attempting. What is it doing? I don't even know. Okay, so those are all the prints of like 14 conjugacy classes to S on 113 or 9. Cool. It kind of seems like it's sorry, 27. Okay, so those are just basically the prints that it's just been doing here. So it's much better because this is okay. So it's thinking. I don't know if it's doing. Is it doing the this algorithm? Where is it now? Step 6. Analysis summary. We are in step 6. Step 2, 3, 4, 5, and construct the actual product G, compute all conjugacy classes, identify which are too regular, count them. I think that is actually going to work out if however it's doing it. It's not using that function that I saw yesterday. And then that's a construction with the effect here. 2 silo subgroups. Step 6, the explicit construction. cosec calculation table failed. I can't find these here. Step 6. Try first. Free group. Things then. I don't know, it's trying. It's trying. I just can't find where. But it's trying. The cosec table calculation failed. Where's these in this file? Can I just... No, I cannot find these. Because I cannot find it here, so I don't know how is it printing these I think here. It's fine. It's doing it somewhere. Can I copy that? Can I? Okay, so I did that, but that's not what I want. Let's just start a new one. Can you review this script? I'm trying to find where is it trying cosec calculation. So, but that doesn't. How? So, is that just part of? I think that is maybe part of. So I'm getting. I'm seeing these messages being printed. When do they happen? The execution. I think those happen when it's trying to create the free group at the end. That's my theory. Here, when it's trying to do. So it's printed step 6, and then the first line is we're trying to do a free group. With yes, free group. I think that's when it's happening, where it's kind of it's failing. I don't know why it's doing. It's trying to do something with the cosec tables, but then it just kind of keeps being it's maybe whatever limit it puts in the size of the table. Is related to the computation of cosec tables, which are used in certain group theoretic algorithms and just as computing. Yeah, okay. The message is printed during the execution of the of this one. Okay, interesting. Quotient of the free group by the relations. What the fuck? You can do this in GAP? Cosec enumeration determine the index of the normal subgroup. Okay. Okay. It should succeed after increasing the table size. It's still struggling with it, but okay. I mean, it might actually work, because then if it just does the Wait, how do I know the amount of, how do I know the blocks? The blocks. F. Oh no. Memory limit. What? So maybe there's another approach. Memory limit. What? Okay. Final task is in progress and provide the theoretical solution based on our analysis. No, it got it wrong. Fuck. So can you, so how was these, what was the name of these? Weber something. So in GAP, there is apparently a implementation of a Weber something algorithm. Compute blocks. You know what's it called? The veteran. Yeah, veteran. Can you try to compute the blocks using gap code? Try using, based on my research, seems it could be useful. But try to solve the problem with code, not by reasoning it theoretically. Because definitely got it wrong. I mean, this quit bothers me, but yeah. He has order 4. It's actually a good setup. I mean, actually, it ended up being a good solution to have the terminal directly here. This bothers me a lot with the queen. I need to ask it to fix it. Next time. All right. We are at half an hour now because I'll slowly have to go. Come on, you can do these. Okay, it's constructed both groups. That's good. Step by step. Interesting. If this actually works out, it's gonna be crazy. I'm curious about why isn't it so easy? Why isn't it easy? Why can't, like, ready to proceed with block computation? Is it supposed to be? Okay, I'm supposed to actually quit these. That's the problem, right? So it actually, because gap doesn't end the process automatically, so I need to actually end it every time. But okay. How come isn't it able to figure these out by itself? Is it that it's just trying to? Is it this? It's that it's just trying to basically. No, split. Wait. No, fuck, ignore the theoretical result. What did it do? Ignore the theoretical result. That's not what I want. No. Okay, a few things. Every time a gap run breaks, I need to manually type in quit. Can you automate that so when gap breaks, the process or the process stops? Do not use the previously theoretical result is wrong. I'll just push it now. Okay. Quit on error. Okay. No. Am I in gap? No. What is it doing? Okay. How do I quit these? No, it's not gonna work out, huh? It's not gonna really work out. Okay, we'll get it there. We'll get it there. This is just because this gap is stupid. And now what? Console. Stop it. Try again. Okay, maybe it works better if I don't open the terminal aside, because maybe it does it by itself then. What are the tools we have? User block. Okay. So I corrected the script. 2 blocks? No. What? No, don't fuck off. It's not 2 blocks. Wait, this is just no. What? Is it just what is these? What? There's no code in it. Oh, yeah. No, it's not 2. It's not 2 blocks. Please give it another try, and let's build a file. Maybe I'll just maybe what if I just open a file? Like, what if I just like open? Do I open something? Do I do gap factory? No. Do I what do I want to do with these? Do I want to create a new folder? And basically HLE group theory. And do I open these? Yes. And do I just okay. Draw code fast. Let's approach these again, and I'll let it think, and then I'll need to go. So let's build these. Let's copy the problem. Look at these group theory problem. Break it down in steps, and start coding gap file in the current project directory, and see if we can solve the problem. The blocks of kg. Remember, yeah, okay, let's see. If not, I guess what I'll do in the next session is just go step by step again, try to kind of recap, try to go step by step and just break it down myself together with it. So it's creating the file. So it's doing the file here. And we have gap. Yes, no, don't try to, no. Are you, what are you trying to do? No, stop. Okay, I think it's not working well. Okay. Okay, so we have gap installed, right? So it installed gap here in no, these are the videos. Where did it install gap? It installed gap, man. It installed gap. Can I have, no, I lost the previous session. And I don't know where did it install it? You already installed and compiled gap. Please find it. music. Okay, give me. I think I'll stop here and I'll. Oh no, I actually found it. Okay, quit. But it's the same thing with quit, right? So quit. I'll have to. Yeah. So it found these. So let's see if it actually is able to run it. Okay. I think I sorry guys, I have to go. I'll continue as soon as I can. Okay. Let's see if that doesn't work. I still want to try to. I mean, I still have to understand the final part, the part with the blocks. I understand a very high level, but like, I just want to find the right tool. It's actually crazy. It's crazy complicated that you can't just find the right tool to solve these. This is where I've been stuck for the last, like, what, 2 sessions, right? Anyway, see you in the next session.